What's up YouTube? I'm Josh with Methods for Today. In this video we'll be talking about Apple CarPlay, what the features are of Apple CarPlay, where you can get it, and you can decide if it's the right thing for you. Stay tuned. Apple CarPlay is a mirrored version of your phone in your car's dashboard. So you can see your phone up front. Why is this useful? So you can screen text, phone calls, answer, hang up, see your voicemails, and tap. The only thing about this is it's going to be very limited so that it doesn't distract you too much from driving.
All right, let's run through a quick demo live in the truck. So when I turn my truck on, here's what I get. Home screen. This should turn into Apple CarPlay. There we go. Here's a close-up of the home screen. There's a 3-page home screen. You've got this, which shows your map and 2 primary places to get directions to and a preview of your what's playing now. You've also got 1 page of apps, 2 pages of apps. If you have more downloaded, they'll show up here also. You can customize that in settings, which I'll show you in a minute. Your music, you have your 3 or your 4 tabs up here, and you have Apple Maps and Google Maps. I get a terrain map that buffers and loads everywhere I go and shows me what everything looks like. This is unbeatable for me. I love seeing what's around and a bird's eye view of what things look like in color while I'm driving around so that I know what my surroundings are like.
If you're wondering how you can get Apple CarPlay in your car that doesn't already have it, if you just go to Amazon.com, search Apple CarPlay, and then scroll through some of the options here, it looks like you can get it for, could be under $100 for the hardware, but you would then need to spend probably a few hours installing it. So there you go on hardware to install it. Some of these actually also come with Android Auto, which is a completely different program for Android phones. You can also go to this website, carintelligent.com, and it'll show you all the makes and models of cars that come with Apple CarPlay now. See the link below. I'll go ahead and put that in the description. So here's how you go in and adjust your Apple CarPlay settings. First, you go to your home screen, settings, and then find General, CarPlay, pick the car you've linked to, in this case my Chevrolet, and then you can customize which apps you want, in what order. There are 8 per screen, so the top 8 go on the first screen, the second 8 go on the second screen, and then obviously the ones with the red minus signs you can remove from the screen if you never use them. Like in my case, I never use CNBC, I can take that off. And then they'll show up on the bottom. I also never use WhatsApp. So here now I have a modified version. When I go plug it back into the car, it'll show that. You can also forget this car if it's a rental or something along those lines. Auto CarPlay while locked is on so that when I plug in, it immediately comes up and I don't have to authenticate. If I turn that off, I've got to either use Face ID or type in my passcode every time I get in my car and turn it on. And that's the settings for Apple CarPlay. Now, what happens if you go to plug your phone into your car and start up CarPlay and all of a sudden CarPlay doesn't show up? This happens to me maybe once out of every 15 or 20 times I try to start CarPlay. And it ended up being an error or something with the RAM in the computer, and I had to unplug, turn off, plug back in, and then try again, and then I got CarPlay to come back up. So slightly annoying, but that is a downside of CarPlay, is that it's not a perfect system and glitches sometimes.
Thanks for watching my first YouTube video ever. I really enjoyed putting together this Apple CarPlay demo video, and I hope you enjoyed the video too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.